Hi, this is James. Now, are you serious about making money online in 2022? Then you got to make sure that you have all the right tools and software as well as the right training, which means from the right trainers, coaches, and mentors. Then I am excited to let you know that on 23rd January 2022 at 10 a.m. Eastern, my coaches and mentors Rutecky as well as Mike from Maine are launching everything you need. Everything you need is a set of all the software and tools that you require and the training to help you be successful in online marketing or internet marketing or in the digital world. And these two guys are the ones who have finally made me successful in online marketing. Now, there is a flaw in everything you need, and I shall be revealing that at the end. I got a demo and a quick review of everything you need coming up. Before that, subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications so that all future videos like these that are going to boost your business, you will receive them. Now, check out the link below and discover the bonuses that you shall receive when you pick up everything you need through my link. Now, let's head on over and check out the demo and review of everything you need and that flaw I talked about.
Warning: the following video is not for people looking for a get-rich-quick gimmick, or for people who love wasting money buying overhyped garbage that never gets them results. It's for serious people looking to build a real online business. If this does not apply to you, then please exit this page right now. Still here? Good, because in the next few minutes I'm going to show you how you can get the exact blueprint and software tools that I personally used to build my 7-figure online business. But first, let me show you some of the amazing results that are possible. Hey guys, Brett here, and I've been in the IM MMO space for quite some time, and I've made millions of dollars in that space. And in that time, I've also seen thousands of people purchase hundreds of products hoping that they can be a success themselves. The problem is none of these products are ever a complete solution. They always leave something important out. People will buy a training only to find out that they also need some kind of software in order to implement that training. People will buy software to find out that it doesn't come with training to teach people how to actually make money with that software. There's always a piece missing. And what this does is it gets people on a rat race of buying products over and over again and never actually getting anywhere. Well, I decided it was time to do something about that. And so I created a system that includes everything people need in order to be successful online. It's a system that includes training that teaches every aspect of my business. Everything that I've done to be a success is taught in this training. But beyond that, it also includes all the software tools that I use in my business to implement that training as well. Everything is included. The instructions that teach people how to be a success and the software that they need to implement those instructions. This is literally everything you need. And that's what I call this, the everything you need system, because nothing is left out. Now earlier, I asked everyone watching this video if they're serious about running a successful online business, or if they just like to buy products for the sake of buying. If you're a person that just likes to buy things, that just likes to spend money, then this is not for you. However, if you're serious about running a successful, profitable online business, then this is literally everything you need. In that case, all you need to do is click below to get started right now.
As I go through the sales page, you will realize how clean this is. No fluff at all, just the info that you need. But let me just unpack it just to be sure that you pick up on the right details here. Now, I want to draw your attention to this. Brett, Rutecky, and Mike from Maine are serious when they say that the offer will expire and the page will be deleted. They mean what they say. And this offer will not be available once it expires. So watch the clock and buy it before that. And I've got other details as well coming up about the price. So you would have seen in the demo how successful Brett and Mike are, and here is further information. And I can vouch that these guys are definitely successful because they have also helped me become successful in internet marketing when I had faced failure for 9, 10, or 12 years plus. So the reason why Brett had decided to create everything you need is because he has been coaching people for a long time and he has seen how many of us jump from one shiny object to another without making any money. So what they have done is to create everything you need, as I had mentioned earlier, as well as in the demo. So these are the tools that you get. There are 10 tools that you shall receive. One is affiliate tracks. Second is members kit. Third is Widz or Widzy. I'm not too sure how it's pronounced. Next comes Let's Mail, Real IM Reviews, My Digital Shop, Changeo, Webinaro, Image Maker 2, and Bonus Builder. This is all you need, guys. And these are the tools that I use too. Not all of them, but the bulk of them I do use in order to generate online income. Now, if you were to pick up each one of these individually, you would have to easily spend $756. Now, what they are giving you, this one-time discounted price with, again, watch this, guys, no OTOs and upsells is a crazy, crazy deal. Doesn't make any sense at all. It's a no-brainer, so pick it up, and I shall reveal the price in a moment as well. You're going to go nuts over it. So here you go, guys. It's just $95. And it could also be $97 by the time you jump in. And it is a dime sale. And it is going to go up to $197 by the time the launch is over. So get in early. Get in at 10 a.m. on the 23rd of January 2022 and save as much money, therefore make even more money or as much money as possible. Now, there is a 14-day money-back guarantee. And if you are absolutely unsatisfied for whatever reason, just send Brett and Mike a support ticket and they will honor your refund request. Now, I promise to reveal the flaw, the one flaw with everything you need. And it is this, guys, that Brett and Mike don't have a done for you where they will do and generate all the income from this. Now, that's a pity. I wish that they had this deal. I would have grabbed it myself as well. So note the timing, guys. So it ends. This launch ends on Tuesday, January 25th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. Now, as I mentioned earlier, Brett and Mike mean what they say. They will bring this down. The sales page will disappear at that time. So jump in early. Save as much money as you can because it is a dime sale where the price will start at 97 and end at 197. There you go, guys. I hope that quick walkthrough of everything you need has shown you that this is the one and only program and set of tools that you need to make it in 2022 and beyond. Stick with these guys and you will see success like I did. Now, if the info in this video has been of use for you, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends if your friends can find some value in this. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Click the bell icon and select all notifications. And once again, check out the link below to discover the special bonuses that the vendors have provided me to share with you. And I look forward to hearing your success stories from everything you need as well.